little over budget when it comes to house renovations, but look how cool this is.
Looks expensive.
Doesn't it? Let me show you the rest of the house. There's a hole in the ceiling and it's there on purpose. We got a skylight. It brings so much light into this room. The house was so dark and dingy to before. This is my favorite part. So on the other side of this window, we're gonna have a countertop as like a bar. Give me one, baby.
Oh, wow.
All right, so spending a lot on a front door. Front door looks gorgeous, by the way, but how many people are actually going to notice the front door? However, skylight, that window at the back that opens onto the entertainment area, that's where the money should be spent. People are going to notice how a place makes them feel, and light, bright and breezy sells easy is one of my sayings, and that's all about letting the light in, making the plan work, and that window at the kitchen, very, very smart. That's where the money should be, not on an expensive front door that most people won't even see the value in.